What are you making with these shrimp?
I'm gonna smoke all the shrimp, half Cajun, half Caribbean.
You confused me with all that.
Oh, no, I'm not gonna confuse you.
So what goes in there?
So I'm doing a little Cajun love dip, a little olive oil, Dijon mustard, and I'm using a little bit of my horseradish here for some heat. Heat's always important to all the things that I do.
I'm always amazed the names you come up with.
Some capers here for some saltiness. The brine really works here.
Man, you're gonna be done before I finish deviating these
No,
shrimps.
don't you sweat, don't you sweat. Now, have this all up and running. Some green onion that pulls all the flavors together. Little crunchiness here from my celery.
Oh, yum.
Working well, eh?
Yeah.
Black pepper. You know you need the black pepper, right?
That looks like that could go on just about anything,
Oh,
including the shells, and I'd eat it.
Lemon juice here. Ah. Too bad you can't stick around.
Oh, man.
You always leave just when the party starts.
Yeah, what's up with that?
I think we're gonna get you to stick around.
Like last time, after I deviated the shrimps, all I got to do was clean the pool before everybody showed up.
Because you're a good friend. That's what good friends do. A little Tabasco for more heat.
Yeah.
Don't go too crazy on it.
That's gonna be spicy.
Bring it together with some salt. And no barbecue is set without ketchup.
The magical elixir.
Coriander just to bring this together.
So what's making it Cajun?
This Cajun spice.
I feel like the bayou.
And you can get this in any grocery store.
Good stuff.
Just bring it all together now.
Mixin', mixin'.
Jim, you want to taste?
Oh man, do I? It looks great. Whoa! That is smoking. That's gonna be incredible on the shrimp.
Remember I said I was gonna do shrimp? I'm gonna do it the second way at this point. Little melted butter. That brings everything to the start. Little chili for heat. Now again, back off on it if it's a little too hot for you. But if you love it, just go right for it. Little cinnamon for sweetness. Little allspice because that brings it all together. That's perfect little spice. Little coriander. Little fresh ginger. Beautiful. Little garlic here. All of this stuff brings me back to Jamaica where I was born. Let's get a little mix in here, start it up. Now for our wet ingredients. Vanilla. Little goes a long way here. You just want to flavor it with the vanilla. Hot sauce. Bring that heat factor right back up again. Honey for sweetness. All these flavors are just coming together beautifully here. Olive oil. Rounds the flavors right back. Little dark rum here. The molasses will come out really well on the grill. And the sweetness that it brings. Little salt. Little pepper. And one more secret ingredient. Lemon zest. Lemon zest will bring out that citric flavor right on the grill. Not too much. Mix. So this is done. I'll put this into the fridge with my Cajun dip. This can sit up for anywhere to 5 hours. Woo! Smell the rum already. Here's the simple stuff. Half of it, divide, straight into my wet marinade. Let's get a little toss in here. This is going to sit here for no more than an hour, but I'll go into that in a little bit. Now our dry stuff. Straight in. This is very simple. A little Cajun spice. Let's get in there, rub this together. Touch of olive oil. Not too much. This is a dry rub. And some lemon juice. Here's a tip. You don't want to marinate any shellfish, or any fish for that matter, for longer than an hour. So we want to set these up for 1 hour. Very important. We're going to go to the fridge, and then we're going to start smoking them. Now, here we go. High heat. Let's turn that down to about 220 degrees, 100 degrees Celsius. I have high heat, and this is off. Now I've got to work pretty quickly here. Come on over here, guys. Got to get our shrimp on quickly. A little smoky there for me, but that's all right. But we have to work quickly here. These are hickory wood chips, and this is a classic combination when it comes to shrimp. These shrimp smoke for 20 minutes under indirect heat. Now let's get our dry rub on. And same thing here, 20 minutes. That's it. Got to work quickly here though. All those flavors from the chilies, garlic, will come out really well here. Get that lid closed. 220 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius. Let the grill do the work. Remember those shrimp? These are the marinated Caribbean ones. These ones are ready to eat right away. Now for my Cajun love juice. Remember that Cajun love sauce? Take a look at that. Nice and simple here. Let's just get that in. Just get that coated. These ones need 2 hours, even more. The longer the better on these ones. Remember these ones I did a little earlier? They're ready to eat. They've been soaked in rum, marinated. We're gonna pass them around on platters. Everybody's gonna enjoy.